For me, this trip was especially meaningful because Oopsiee exists between two worlds. Using tools like Runway, I can animate him, expand his personality, and place him into stories and situations that would be impossible to create through traditional filmmaking alone.
Some people travel to New York with a suitcase. I traveled with a suitcase and Oopsiee.
I am not luggage. I am emotional support chaos.
The main reason for this trip was the Runway AI Summit, the place for creators, artists, filmmakers, technologists come together. I came because I heard that AI can do a storytelling.
I came because I heard the word generation and thought maybe someone would generate snacks here.
Our first New York evening took us to 230 Fifth Rooftop Bar. New York at night feels cinematic by itself. Add Oopsiee to the scene, and suddenly every rooftop becomes part of our little universe.
I saw the Empire State Building. I waved. It did not wave back. Still processing.
Melting slow inside the glass. Watching all the city shadows pass. Blue notes hanging in the velvet air. Just a quiet magic we can share. No rush to leave the rhythm or the light. We're just new.
This trip began with the Runway AI Summit, but it quickly became something much bigger. It became a real-world adventure shared with a character who exists between imagination and reality, part performance, part technology, and part storytelling. Oopsiee is an important character for my YouTube channel Oopsiee an Expert. He is mischievous, curious, and always trying to help accidentally. He lives between two worlds, the physical world, where I can hold him, move him, and perform with him, and the digital world, where AI helps him become fully alive.
Without AI, I would mostly sit on a shoulder. With AI, I can fly, spin in tubes, panic dramatically, and sometimes become dessert.
After the summit, we dived into New York. Huge, bright, fast, and alive. Everywhere we looked, something was moving, glowing, honking, singing, or becoming a story. After exploring the city, we decided to slow down for a moment and have lunch in a small, quiet Italian restaurant. It felt like the perfect place to take a break before our planned evening adventure.
Why are there so many delicious words I can't pronounce?
Death becomes her. I hope dessert becomes me.
next morning we saw New York from the water. A boat trip gave us the skyline from a completely different angle.
I was very brave. The wind tried to style my filaments.
There is the recently Sean P. Diddy Combs was indicted for doing, and he decided.
AI gives the character freedom inside that world.
Real wind. Digital courage.
We had lunch in Hell's Kitchen.
I was concerned by the name, but then food arrived and I forgave everything.
Why dip when you can commit?
For Oopsiee, Times Square was almost like stepping inside an AI-generated dream. Bright, chaotic, overwhelming, and somehow beautiful.
Basically my personality, but taller.
You're good. I got it.
Behold!
Behold! Times Square is now under Oopsiee supervision.
I don't know what we're doing here, but it looks important!
We also visited MoMA. After all the city noise, the museum gave us a quieter kind of inspiration.
I looked at modern art and thought, maybe I am also art.
That evening, we made our way to the historic Rockefeller Center, one of New York's most iconic landmarks, and honestly, I couldn't wait to ride the skylift.
I didn't know what a skylift is, but it sounds exactly like my kind of transportation.
Well, she's from Soviet Union.
I can walk.
Absolutely.
The sky is beautiful.
I was very high above the ground. I became philosophical.
trip was not only about attending an event, it was about seeing the future of storytelling and bringing Oopsiee along for the ride.
Now let's go home to Sugar Stain Kitchen Experimental Laboratory. I'm ready for new desserts, new experiments, and new delicious mistakes.